All right, welcome back to P3 Brews. Prost. So the question in my mind has arisen: will this fermenter fit in the fridge? Curious minds want to know. Does this fermenter fit in that fridge? What we got for distances here? It's 36 inches of clearance, and the fermenter is about 35 if I remember correctly, with the about 35 with the blow off tube on the top. So let's just see what happens. The question becomes, is the width of this base down here enough for the fermenter base? Which is going to be close, because in theory I got about 11 inches here in the base, and I think the fermenter base was like 14, so it's not looking good. Makes me want to drink more beer. Hey, speaking of more beer, I got a more beer hat, because more beer is cool. Good team, quality people, great supplies, helpful, responsible, reasonable prices. The list goes on. But if you don't know More Beer, check them out at morebeer.com. Thanks, More Beer. Bros. Get this up. Now, let's get a more correct measurement here. Maybe I take all this off. I might have a chance here. I might have a chance. Put all this in here. Maybe. There's a chance. There's still a chance. I guess unfortunately you can see the small problem. All the cold air that's in here, or all the hot air that's in here, could go in there. So, I mean, I probably have some tape and stuff. Maybe I could fix that. I'm not quite sure. But at this point, it's not quite working. You know what I recommend? A bigger fridge. Well, thus concludes the experiment. Now we know. Shambhala.